How much are strata fees in Narrabeen, and are they worth it? Thinking about downsizing into a low-maintenance apartment in Narrabeen, but not sure if the strata fees make sense? Many downsizers worry about paying too much, getting too little, or ending up in a building that becomes a money pit. I'm Grant Matterson, and after 25 years helping downsizers on the northern beaches, I've seen exactly where the value is and where the hidden costs often sit. In Narrabeen, strata fees range widely from modest walk-ups to premium waterfront buildings with lifts and facilities. The real question isn't how much the fees are, it's what you get for them. Do they improve your daily lifestyle, or are you just paying for aging infrastructure? Compare that to Collaroy, some newer buildings and modern amenities without the same maintenance burden. If you're after stability and predictable long-term costs, Collaroy is a competitor. But if you're a water lover, some of Narrabeen's lagoon-side streets and oceanfront pockets offer lifestyle value that simply can't be matched even if the fees sit higher. I've put together a simple downsizing cost guide that compares Narrabeen and Collaroy fees, lifestyle value, and long-term maintenance at a glance. Send me a message and I'll send it straight over so you can downsize with confidence, not guesswork.